Okay, this is AP Stats Chapter 6-1, Asynchronous Task. So we're going to use a calculator and create the histogram. And based on the Apgar score, that's the score that the doctors always give to newborn babies, and the scale is 0 to 10, and the healthy babies are considered to be 7 and above. Okay, and this is a probability, and it's based on the research. So if you have a chance, please open a TI-80 calculator, TI-84 calculator, and go to Stats and go to Edit. And if this is occupied, you go to Stats again and clear the list. Okay, and you start entering these numbers. And first, you have to clear the list. Here, you can clear the list if you want to. You can hit second, and one is a list one. I'm sorry, second one. Clear. If number 4 is a clear list. Second, this is a clear one, comma. Second and 2 is list 2 and clear. So you have to hit enter. Now it's done. So let's take a look. Edit. Now it's clear. So let's plug in. So this one is the score. So I hit 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now you go to list 2 and you type in probability. So 0 0.001, enter, 0.006, enter, 0.007, enter, 0.008, enter, 0.012, enter, 0.02, enter, 0.038, enter, 0.099, enter, 0.319, enter, 0.437, enter, 0.053. You can follow textbook, or you can look at those numbers. So it's upper score 10 is 5%. Upper score 9 is 43%. That's how you read. Okay. Now go to second stats. If you are using this calculator for something else, you have to clear those plots. Maybe you're using for calculus or quick calc. You have to go to y cosine and clear this part. Otherwise, it get error message. Okay. So you go to second plot, second, and y cosine. That's stats plot, and make sure this is on. You go here. You select plot on. Type is this a history of type. When you hit that X list, you choose list 1. So how to choose this one? You have to go to second list and you see 1. So let's hit 1, enter. So list 1 is chosen. Frequency, you go to again second list and you choose number 2. So you move the cursor to number 2 and hit. And now you go to window and set up the window to X minimum is actually 0. So you go to a little bit left of that. So hit -1. X max is actually 10, right? But you just hit 1 above 11. So it's going to be a little bit, you can see the screen a little bit room to see the whole distribution. Okay, scale is 1. Okay, and go to the interval is for y interval is start from negative 0.1 because it's a probability, right? Max is 0.5. Okay. Now you go to scale. is 0.1. Okay. Every time you hit those numbers, you hit enter. Otherwise, it's just a little bit glitchy. Okay. All right. So you go to hit the graph, and this one shows up. Okay. I hope you understand. Now, this is one of the tasks. Then when you hit this, I think they ask you to move the cursor. If you move the cursor, you can hit the this distribution, which is score is 9, right? Score is 9. And let's see, score is 9. If I can move that, doesn't move. Okay. So this is supposed to be score is 9. So how do you look at score is 9? You can go to x equals something. Now score is almost 9. Oh, that's not score is 9. Okay, now it's 9 is actually edge. This so and goes here. It's going to be 45%, but it's, oh yeah, 43. Okay. It's not the middle section, so maybe I should adjust somehow. Anyway, okay, so this is the first number 1, number 2 task. Number 3 task, you go to next page. Okay, to calculate the mean in this chapter we call expected value, right? And standard deviation of the random variable. Use one variable statistic with the variable in list 1 and the probabilities or relative frequency. Okay, so to do that, I think you have to go to hit the stats. Okay, go to calculator, calc. Yeah, one variable stats test. Hit number 1. Okay, so now you have to locate. So list 1 is X, right? So list 1. Hit list 1, enter. Frequency is list 2, right? So go to second stats and you see list 2. Okay, shoot. Okay, now it's calculated. So what do you see now? Right, X bar. Okay, that's the expected value, mean, right? So this is 8.12. Okay, capital sigma. So this summasion. So what's the point you add those? Okay, capital sigma square. And standard deviation is blank. No, this is standard Sx is a standard deviation of the population is blank. Now, I'm sorry, standard deviation of the sample is blank, but standard deviation here is sigma. That's 1.38. N is 1.071. And so this, let me go scroll down. Quartile, so it's just showing this max. So let me see if this number matches with the textbook. Okay, so let's see. I cut and paste to this. Okay, so it's a little bit off. Way off. Why is that? Maybe I enter the data, it's a little bit off. Let's see. But this is how you do it. So, but I show the task, and if you can adjust those numbers, correct me if I did something wrong. So today's thing, I will play music for you. If somebody's watching this video, I assume not many people are watching. But I will stop sharing the screen so you can see my messed up hair. Oh, I have a dice question too. I forgot about it. So I will, after this video, I make a dice question. Okay, video. Bye.